Alright guys, what's up guys, it's Anime for Chance, welcome back to another video. So today we're finally doing a review on Ace Dragon. So, I don't have the Ace Dragon box, it's actually a Pro Series bait. I'll put the picture up on the screen for about 2 seconds. But, yeah, so, I'm gonna be doing, the parts for Ace Dragon. If you guys don't know, you already know the Pro Series Beyblades comes with the launchers, so, yeah. So it's time to review this bad boy, I guess. But anyways, let's show you the bay. I do have actual proof of getting, Ace Dragon. I did a Instagram story about it, so I'll probably put an image on it as well. But anyways, yeah, I'm gonna go and show you guys the parts. I am posting this on my Soon account too, because they haven't seen the unboxing yet with it. So anyways, I'm gonna show you guys. This is Ace Dragon full deassemble. Also, this is gonna be the new setup for the Anime for Chance setup. Yeah, next to graffiti. But anyways, so we have the layer Ace Dragon. So it's actually Dragon 2. I didn't realize this, but this is Dragon 2. So it's basically Ace Dragon 2. So I'm gonna take apart the weight for you guys. I'm gonna take it apart. So yeah, so here is the Got Tico chip of Dragon, which is pretty sick. They're also doing some fireworks. Yeah, my neighborhood always does fireworks. But yeah, so there's teeth. It's kind of weared out. Well, not really weared out. But yeah, so here is the weight. I kind of forgot the weight. I think it's Retsu. Somebody can tell me in the comments, but I kind of like this weight. Kind of balance, you know, because it has two diamond hexagons on it. I think that's what they're called. And Ace Dragon. So Ace Dragon, I already put some of the stickers on Ace Dragon. Honestly, I kind of like the red stickers, so I just put it on. So Ace Dragon, pretty sick. Yeah, so I'm gonna put this symbol, you know. Also, you can make Master Dragon with this, so I will show that off once I'm done doing this review. Anyways, it does come with the Drake disc down. The Drake disc comes on Swy Longinus. Honestly, we didn't really get this in Pro Series until now, so if you guys want to complete your Swy Longinus, it is a pretty good Longinus disc, I would say. But yeah, which is Reboot. So I actually have Ultimate Reboot Dash from Apocalypse. I'm actually gonna get Mastered in Apocalypse now. I got Mastered in Apocalypse. So anyways, so here is the Reboot driver. So if you guys don't know, Reboot came on God Valkyrie, and yeah, well, not really God Valkyrie. It came on Strike God Valkyrie until Red Eye wrote Reboot, and honestly, that's when Vault got Ultimate Reboot. But honestly, this is a different version of Reboot. It's Reboot Dash. But honestly, on God Valkyrie, he did had it on with God Valkyrie, you know. So yeah, so Ultimate Reboot. Yeah, the big difference between this is this has rubber on it, and this is like a spiral tip until it comes out. So yeah, so this is basically the gimmick of Reboot. It does have a little tip. I'm gonna see if it can focus for me, if it can. Oh my god, it's not focusing on me, but there it is. I don't know if you guys see that little gray point, but that's when it comes out. Yeah, also Reboot Dash has it. But yeah, so I guess it's time to show you guys what you can do with this. So I don't know if you guys watch Beyblade. Well, you probably want to watch it. Yeah, so you probably want to watch the final Beyblade episode of season 5. Well, not season 5. Let's see here. It shows it. Yeah, season 4. So yeah, so you probably want to watch season 4. Yeah, if you guys don't know this by season 4, which you probably should if you guys watch Beyblade, it is actually Beyblade vs. GT. So, yeah, I will spoil this if anyone hasn't seen it. And yes, I am a bad person to explain stuff, so you guys probably want to get it from other YouTube channels. But yeah, so basically in the anime, spoiler warning, in the anime, Delta Land, Dante his strength basically. So he gave him the Master, and he completed the Ultimate Master Dragon, which I will have a live stream on this on my YouTube channel really soon, talking about it and making a combo with it. here's what you can do. So here is Master Dragon. So yeah, so if you guys have Ace Dragon and Master Dragon, I said Master Dragon, Master Eagle Bolo, so you guys can make this. But yeah, so that's probably it for this review. I'm not going to do any Beyblade battles because I did a Beyblade battle on the YouTube channel. You guys can go and check that out. But yeah, so I'm just going to disassemble this and I'm going to show you guys, and then I'm going to end it off with the outro. So yeah, so Drake and Reboot. So put that all together, and yes, it does have a burst stopper if you guys are wondering. I don't know if you can see right there, but it does have a burst stopper. So that's pretty sick. That's actually pretty sick to know that Ace Dragon has a burst stopper. But there it is, fully disassembled Ace Dragon. So look at that. But anyways, that's gonna do it for this unboxing. I'm not gonna do any test battles with it. You guys can let me know, do you guys love Beyblade, and do you guys have Beyblades? Let me know in the comments. And yeah, and I know some people do. Just kind of curious. But anyways, that's gonna do it for this unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure to leave a like, comment, share, subscribe to the Switchblade. Well, basically my other YouTube channel is called Enemy for Chance. But yeah, but see you guys later, and subscribe to the Hope Nation. But anyways, I'll see you guys later. Bye bye, guys.